I have run npx create react app and I have removed the default code. As you can see hi here. So first thing you want to do is create a new components folder. Inside this you want to create some some page component. So here you can just follow me. I have just create some basic like layout. Let me just call that component here so that we can see. So you can see the basic layout. So what we want to achieve is we want to achieve dynamic stylings, and we don't want that inside our inline styles. Okay, so we don't want the theme color as an inline style. Okay, so how do we achieve that? So first let me tell you, we'll most probably will get the color theme from a response. Like if you want to set it dynamically, then most probably it will get that from response. So we'll create an object, and we'll don't worry, we'll convert this object as a JSON file. Okay, for now we'll just create an object called some theme. Okay, this will have a primary color color as red and secondary color as green. Okay, so how do we convert this into a JSON file? It's simple. Just type console log and type this vars like JSON dot stringify. Yeah, stringify, and pass this object inside this function. Okay. So as you call this, I mean, as you pass this object inside this function, you will get a string in your log. Okay, so this is JSON string. Okay, so what we want to do? So we want to delete this object. We don't want this as an object. We want this as a JSON file. So what we'll do here is inside our src, we'll create a new file called theme.json. Okay, and here we'll paste that string. Okay, this is basically a string. Okay, so here how do we use that JSON object inside our component? You can import JSON file as normal JavaScript objects like this. Import theme. um, so you see this JSON file theme. So now, okay, let me just console.log. So this string here will be as an object. So you see this? It's just a JavaScript object. Okay. After importing your JSON file, you can use it directly inside your div, the color inside your div. But you don't want to use that inside your inline styles. Let me just show you. This will work. Okay. So back, yes, back, ground, background, and then theme dot high color, and then you save. Okay, see, you get this dynamic styles, but you don't want to use inline styles. How do you achieve the same result without using inline styles? It's simple. You want to create a string on CSS, a template literal actually. And here you will create a class called pri. So this is a class for primary color, background, and you also want to create a class for secondary color. Okay. Now how are you gonna use this classes? So to React, this is not valid CSS. To make this valid CSS, you use the style tag that React provides. Style, and inside this you just put your make CSS, and this is a CSS file, literally a CSS. Now you can use these classes inside your JSX components. Okay, so primary color. So all the buttons will have primary color. So now when you save this and reload, this should be working. And this is how, my friends, you create dynamic styles without using inline styles. Okay, so now here when you change this to yellow and save, yeah, you see it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, then please do subscribe. I'll be uploading weekly once. Thank you.